We'll guide you through how to create subtasks in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or a laptop, then wait until the Start screen fully loads before continuing. Once it's ready, open a new workbook or choose an existing file where you want to organize your tasks. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you're working in the right place and can clearly manage your data. Next, prepare your main task list in one column. Begin typing your main tasks, such as project planning or marketing campaign, and press Enter after each one to move to the next row. Take a moment to review your list and ensure all main tasks are included and clearly written so nothing is missed later. Now, click on the cell directly below one of your main tasks where you want to add a subtask. Type a subtask that relates to that main task. Then press Enter to continue adding more subtasks underneath it. Repeat this same process for your other main tasks until all subtasks are listed properly and consistently. To make your list easier to read, you can visually separate subtasks from main tasks using indentation. Select all the subtask cells, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and click Increase Indent to shift them slightly to the right. This helps create a clear hierarchy between tasks and improves overall readability. After that, adjust the column width if needed so all text is visible without being cut off. Apply bold formatting to your main tasks to make them stand out, and optionally use different font styles or colors for subtasks to improve clarity and visual organization. You can also add a new column for task status. Label each task as Not Started, In Progress, or Completed to track progress effectively. Align all text neatly for cleaner layout. Then review the entire list to ensure everything is structured correctly and easy to follow. Take a final moment to review your formatting and structure, then save your Excel file to keep all your changes properly stored and ready to use anytime.